Heads High was a massive hit for Mr. Vegas, which earned him a Mobile Award as well as an entry on the Billboard charts. Let's hear the backstory behind that song in this week's Fiwi Culture segment.
Yo, what I don't know this Mr. Vegas, dance and reggae music of Fiwi Culture.
How did the idea for Heads High come about?
I was around my niece them. They came from school and they told me a story about some girl in class that got caught doing something with some, other kid under the desk at school. So I was like, for real? So I was telling them, you know what? Make certain say when you're doing the schoolwork and holding the heads high, And it just rang. It just like when I say holding the heads high, something just popped. And I was there with them singing, heads high, kill them with and we're messing around basically. But actually I saw Goofy, Mr. G, and he told me that Danny Brownie had this beat that is gonna mash up the whole place. So I was like, yo, I got to get on this beat. So I went up there, but Danny Brownie was always locked up in his studio, working. So how am I gonna get through this door now? I got the rhythm from Danny Brownie, and I went to my cousin Kirk Tyrrell, and I just started playing the beat, and the chorus, Heads High, just fit on the beat. The chorus I was messing around with just fit perfectly on the beat. I don't know how it happened, it just happened.
Someone you skin your teeth and beg me see. If you're sure from your band, say you never tweet.
So right there, then I put on the verse them. Skin your teeth and make me see that, because there was a song, meet me at the crossroad, meet me at the crossroad. And but the guys, the rappers, they were just like going Bone Thugs and Harmony. I was like, yo, that style is mad. So I wanted to do something like, just a flow. Let me see it. From your mouth, you never do it. And it just fit on the beat, it just work. And just some simple rhymes.
Favorite line of that song?
Yo, I think, smell green like Charlene. It's a favorite line because I remember doing concerts. And I used to just get a lot of forward.
You just scream if your mouth clean. No man never rub your in no ice cream. You not smell green like Charlene.
Were you surprised that Heads High took off the way it did internationally?
Some in some ways.
What kind of major opportunities, awards, accolades came your way in the success of Heads High internationally?
So I remember getting like Artist of the Year for Sing J in Jamaica, Artist of the Year for New Artists, Tamika Awards for Best New Artist, as I said before, the Mobile Awards, being able to perform on a lot of the BT parties, a lot of the MTV parties.
Alright, my side, so we're now here at the Ingleside Badminton Club and it's time for our Pree Vox Pop segment where we took to the streets of St. Ann to ask the people them, what make Funa Parish so nice? Listen up for the responses.
Pree?
St. Ann is the nicest place on earth, man, I have all of the good beaches and the air is different, you know what I mean? Yes, man, St. Ann is just the place to be.
The original Duns River, for the Duns River, enjoy the falls, enjoy the rafting. Forward to get some food, you have Sharkies, you have a lot of even like street restaurants and stuff like that you can forward and enjoy. But what heap of things, and not just St. Ann, Jamaica overall.
It's beautiful, very beautiful. It is a very calm place and peaceful place. It's a place where you can get really good food. Good beaches here, and you don't know, the women are beautiful.
St. Ann the Garden Parish, so the nature, yeah, and the girls, As some brother said before, the most beautiful girls come from St. Ann. Everybody know how she think them and what she badness.
You have a lot of places in St. Ann where you can really venture out and, you know what I mean? A lot of places, for real. So that is it.
Well, as far as you see, we have the most beautiful beaches, and when you come on entertainment, we are on top line, top of the line with entertainment.
Yeah.
Sharkies, I guess. We have the beach here at Sharkies. We have in Ocho
So most definitely the beaches. And then, what I said, the food, because the shark is a good example. So definitely the natural beauty like beaches and then the food.
Scenery. Have some wonderful scenery. The whole atmosphere just feel different. Once you come off of the toll, coming from Kingston, St. Ann is just a different place. The atmosphere, the scenery, the food.
Well, on the ear with the St. Ann people, I'm have to say, but let us know what you think on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree. Why Pree? Alright guys, so that's how we say goodbye to Ingleside, Mandeville, Manchester and another episode of Pree the Show. You don't know I'm your host Naldo Addy, and right now, I'm gonna take a truck off. Enjoy the pool car, boy, the sun hot. Look on them view here, bro. Who needs Kingston? Come on, man. Who needs Kingston?